Hi, my name is Harshadan Chaturvedi and I am in legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about digital privacy. Internet digital privacy is the idea of passing data, information, messages and document over on your business. It is simply the control of data on your business. The idea is accomplished through a bunch of systems and invocations to shield private data and correspondence from spilling to general society. Internet society is fundamental, the insurance of data of the web. It is the act or utilizing the web secretly without spilling or trading of data. It applies in different settings from information to messages and private interchanges. With the Internet Protection definition, it's important to investigate the classifications of data security, its significance, and how people and associations can keep their data safe and private. In other words, we can say that digital privacy is the lack of personal identification on the web and in the online world. Data privacy is the subset of the bigger aspect of the information security that covers the assortment, use, and secure stockpiling of PI for the most part. Web protection is concerned essentially with how and personal information is uncovered over the web through following information assortment, information sharing, and network safety dangers. Digital dangers come from numerous sources, each hoping to acquire individual data for advantage or abuse. As interruptions become progressively modern, more administrative and inward shields are required accordingly. The digital privacy is the point at which you can utilize the web and associate the gadgets without trading off your data. Various individuals have diverse tolerance levels with regard to the digital privacy. One individual might be open to sharing their name, business, street number, and more on the web, while another might not feel comfortable with any of their data on the web. Then comes the point of digital privacy at which the data accessible only about a given individual is inside their usual range of familiarity. A Pew Research Institute study tracked down the controlling personal information online is vital to 70% of Americans. As per another Pew study, 86% of the Americans have made a move to keep up their security, erasing cookies, encrypting email, and ensuring their IP addresses. Computerized impressions are all over. Each time you visit a site, enter your credit or charge card data, pursue a record, give out your email, round out online structures, post via web-based media, or store pictures or reports in disturbed storage. You are delivering individual data into the internet. Exactly who other than the planned receiver will get or have access to the data you have given? Will it be imparted to different gatherings? Your personal information might be partaken in manners you don't expect or uninformed of. Your data might be at some danger in light of the fact that the event based data security programs are not 100% ensured. Thank you.